If your wallet's feeling thin, your next side hustle win is closer than you think. Having multiple sources of income gives you the freedom to live life on your own terms. Imagine not stressing over bills or tuition fees. Side hustles can help. You could become a writer on the internet. It's profitable and connects you with like-minded people. Or invest in trading 212 for easy asset allocation. Content businesses usually follow a J-curve, meaning big rewards later, but some side hustles pay immediately. Like designing thumbnails, lucrative and in demand. Students, you can also earn by being research assistants, or become a remote sales rep or web designer. Learning coding and web design can lead to high-paying freelance opportunities. No matter your choice, side hustles offer a path to financial freedom. You're not just earning extra cash, you're building a future. Start today and unlock the life you've always dreamed of. Remember, the hustle is real, but so are the rewards.